Lily and Nolene. Come here, baby. Hi, Lily. Oh my goodness, Lily, you're such an angel, girl. Look at how she's like can't sit still. Oh, lovely ears. Oh my gosh, Lily Boo, come here. Come here. Oh my gosh, she's such a happy girl, just a puppy. Lily, come here, Lily. Hi, Angel. You're so happy, Lily. Hello, Mom. Hello, Angel. Who's your friend? Your friend is pretty. Yeah, she's got one ear up and one ear down. Here. Okay. Happy smiles. Look how gorgeous her markings are. So pretty. Hi, Lily. Lily, you look very familiar. Lily. Okay, bye, girlfriends. What do you see over there, huh? You see something. Ooh, I don't see anything. What do you see? Oh, wait. Let me see. Lily wants the baby. Okay, bye, angel girl. Look, she just scoots her over with her butt.